So what would happen if we played out a scene that was literally translated from Swedish to English? Let's find out.
When you speak of the trolls,
I'm a little round under the feet.
I get forest crazy with you.
Don't paint the devil on the wall.
Throw yourself in the wall.
There's a dog buried here.
What do you mean?
I think I ate a green thing.
You took a green thing from my chill cupboard?
Uh-oh, I've been caught with the beard in the letterbox.
You have planted your last potato.
No danger on the roof. I'm coming home.
Bra.
I think he's sensing owls in the swamp.
Alright, let's unpack this. So, the first line, när man talar om trollen, is basically when you speak of the devil, there he is. Jag är lite rund under fötterna is basically that you're a tad drunk and you have trouble walking. Jag blev skogstokig på dig. Skogstokig is an old saying when evil spirits would kidnap you and take you out into the woods, and because of the lack of social contact, you would be driven mad. Måla inte fan på väggen is about avoiding exaggerated negativity, because if you say it, it will happen. Släng dig i väggen is kind of like take a hike, or you could say go to hell, but then we would say dra åt helvete, which is a little harsher. Det är en hund begraven här has a slightly unknown origin, but it's kind of like the English I smell a rat. There is something suspicious here. Vad menar du? Simply means what do you mean? Jag tror att jag åt en grönsak. Yes, vegetable in Swedish is green thing, grönsak. Du tog en grönsak från mitt kylskåp. Yes, a fridge in Swedish is a chill cupboard, which makes total sense because that's exactly what it is. Jag har fastnat med skägget i brevlådan is a saying about realizing that you're in trouble, like I'm in a pickle. Du har satt din sista potatis is in a way a threat, but a fun one. It's like it's the final straw. Ingen fara på taket, jag kommer hem. No danger on the roof is imminent, so we're okay. For now. Bra is Swedish for good. Jag tror att hon anar ugglor i mossen is actually a saying from Denmark where they used to refer to wolves. But because there are no wolves anymore in Denmark, the owls became the symbol of sensing danger. So here's the whole scene in Swedish.
När man talar om trollen.
Jag är lite rund under fötterna.
Jag blev skogstokig på dig.
Måla inte fan på väggen.
Släng dig i väggen.
Det ligger en hund begraven här.
Vad menar du?
Jag tror jag åt en grönsak.
Du tog en grönsak från mitt kylskåp.
Jag har fastnat med skägget i brevlådan.
Du har satt din sista potatis.
Ingen fara på taket. Jag kommer hem.
Bra.
Jag tror han anar ugglor i mossen.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the Swedish language on Instagram for daily updates. See you there.